Welcome to lesson number 4, letter B, word 2. Hello. First, let's listen for words that have the same beginning sound. Ready? Here we go. Do the words tug and sun start with the same beginning sound? No, they don't. Good job. Do tiger and table begin with the same sound? Yes, they do. Nice work. Last, do time and sea start with the same beginning sound? No, they don't. Good job. Let's practice some rhyming. Let's listen for words that end with the same sounds. That means that they rhyme. Listen to these words: hot and bag. Do they rhyme? No, they don't. Nice work. Okay, next words: pot and knot. Do they rhyme? Yes, pot and knot do rhyme. Nice job. Now, it's time to practice our letters and sounds. First, let's review our letters from earlier lessons. Please say the name of the letter. T. Great job. What sound does the letter T make? Good job. Say the name of this letter. A. What sound does this letter make? Great work. Now, let's learn our new letter for today. This is the letter B. These are the uppercase and lowercase b letters. B makes this sound.
B.
Listen for this sound in the word bat. Bat. Do you hear the sound in the beginning or end of the word? Yes, you hear the sound in the beginning of the word, bat. Good job. Let's say our new letter and sound again. B. The letter B makes this sound.
B.
Good job. Now let's listen to the sound and write the matching letter in the air with our finger. Ready? Here we go.
B.
Please make sure that you wrote your letter like this. Good work. Now let's listen to another sound and write the matching letter on the palm of our hand with our finger. Please make sure that you wrote your letter like this. Good job. Now let's listen to the sound and write the matching letter in the air with our finger. Ready? Here we go. Please make sure that the letter that you wrote looks like this. Great job! Next, let's review the heart words that we already know. Read these words.
The,
I. Now, let's learn a new heart word. Remember, a heart word is a word that we need to remember by heart because it doesn't follow our sound rules. Here is our heart word for today. Two. Let's use the word in a sentence. We are going to school. Let's listen to the sounds that we hear in the word, to.
ooh,
How many sounds do you hear? Yes, you hear 2 sounds. Great work! The first sound in the word matches the letter T that we learned in our last lesson. The second sound of the word to, ooh, breaks the sound rules because O by itself doesn't usually make that sound. It is a heart word that we need to remember. Let's read the word again. Two. Great work! Now that we know the name and sound of 4 letters, we can blend the sounds of those letters together to read more words. When we read, we make the sound of each letter in order from left to right and slowly blend the sounds together. Let's try sounding out more words.
B,
Great job! Now let's blend the sounds quickly together to read the word. Bat. Great job! You are sounding out words. Let's read more words. At, bat, sat. Now, let's practice writing words. Please make sure that you have a writing notebook and a pen or pencil for this activity. Let's write the word, bat. We need to write the word, bat. Tap out each sound on your fingers before you write this word. It has 3 sounds and 3 letters. Go ahead and write the word, bat. Now, try writing the word sat in your notebook. Make sure that you tap out the sounds first before you write the word. Great job today! Let's review today's letter, sound and word one more time. Here is our letter for today. B. And this is the sound that it makes.
B,
Here is our word for today. 2. Great work today. We hope to see you soon for our next lesson.